Very nice whistle, Thomas whistle. Okay, day number 2. So this is the next box, next day. I'm trying to find whatever I can that I can use and fix other models. Now, those are not the same as the previous video. Here are the ones I sort out. Those are other steam alone parts. And I used to get the, like I said in the previous video, sell the best models and get the parts from the not so lucky models and make good ones and sell them. So I end up with a lot of parts. Now that I'm trying to sort out my garage, I will put them in boxes like this and then start fixing it. So let's begin. We have a building like the that's for the Harold. I think I have 2 more. And here's the whistle. I just show you McCall's farm. I think it's missing 1 piece. That's a take and play or take along. Soda engine works. Is it a wash engine or no? Yeah, engine washing one side. You can open this. I don't know if you have seen this. Some kids have never seen these things. These are very old. You put your engines in there and play with those. They were some kind of nice sets, so you can carry on. I remember seeing a kid playing with those little metal toys in a laundry one time about 8-10 years ago. Oh, anyways, let's continue. So I found a lot of parts for Percy, other engines. This is a good tender for Edward. Here is Percy's chassis, choking tongue, and I found this Trackmaster 2 Victor remote control Thomas. What is this? This is the way I used to get them. A lot of cards. This is for Rocky. And what was the little crane that plays with Victor? Let me know in the comments. I already forgot. These are the little cards for that little crane with the used to be in Steamworks with Victor. Found a lot of cards. Kenji's card. Games. Might not be interesting. Well, anyway, let's continue. This one, I don't know which one belongs to. This is some sort of Pla-rail card. You push the buttons here and opens and close the doors. Both sides. Very nice. Arthur shells. Thomas. Remote control Percy is missing the back. Snow covered Tomica. I remember you used to get this one. I think it's from Icy Mountain or something. And I used to remove the snow plow and attach it to Edward or Gordon, and that way it will increase the price. That's what I used to do that years ago. That's why I end up with no snow plow with this one. Found a Harvey. Very bad condition roof. See, I'm gonna tell you my experience. Someone tried to clean it with some solution or maybe rubbing alcohol, and this is what happened. But I think someone tried to clean it with some sort of solution, and that's why you see like a melted paint. Found Emily. So there is a Gordon. I already showed you. Curious little model. Oh, it's pulled back. Nice. I remember I got this one from someone from England sent me this model, and I already showed you the steam alone models for parts. Okay, I remember now. This one is from yesterday. We had Thomas previous video we had Thomas. This is for big loader. Big loader, I remember now. Some parts, remote parts from Thomas. And I found good Percy. All these are Trackmaster Revolutions or Trackmaster 2, but these Thomas are not the same. Emily, you already know Emily. This one has some sort of sparks. Let me know in the comments on which one this belongs, or what was the name of the Thomas, because some of these I already know. So I really appreciate your comments below. Muddy Thomas. This one also Muddy Thomas. This definitely is a glow in the dark Thomas. You push the button here. It's not like a lever, switch lever like this one. It does have the LED lights underneath. But this is a glow in the dark. This one is some Twister Tornado, some sort of set, like call it like that. And I was thinking, probably you remember previous video. I don't know if they made different sets or different ways to paint. This one is printed on the Thomas, and the previous one had some sort of stickers, decals, and it's well torn. I'm going to try to find it in a minute. Another splash. I don't know which one was. Let me know in the comments. But when I used to sell on eBay years ago, the description, we the sellers used to put the water splash Thomas. That's the description. We had no clue what was the name of that Thomas. And this one is from some sort of volcano or dragonscape. No, I don't know. I don't know if it's dragonscape. Let me know also in the comments. This one for sure I know what was. It came with Ace the Racer. Yes. And here is the back card where we used to have some snake on it. Monkey, is it Monkey Thomas or Monkey Safari Thomas? Let me know in the comments. You know better than me. Okay, we found 3 Gordons. What is this? Some sort of tape. So none of these has batteries. I already checked. Another Gordon. Good Gordon. Another Gordon. Nice one. So this one is Revolutions 2, right? I don't know if I already mentioned this. Emily. Oh, it's missing the rubber wheels or rubber ring. Spencer. Trackmaster 2. Yes, there are some good parts. Here's the shell for the top of the Neville. I think I saw somewhere this part. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I've been found some of these parts, and I will list them next week on my website. I'm washing every part and clean, make sure everything is good to go before I list them. Oh, let's go over here. I found a broken Edward. Probably you remember this one from a video. Somebody bite this troublesome truck. This is some sort of Chuggington. A cargo for take along or take and play. I found this wooden rubbish truck. Looks nice. And Sir Topham hat. And there is another one. And I found this from, I think, if I'm not mistaken, was from the circus. A giraffe, elephant, and a mechanic. Or is it mechanic or conductor? Mechanic, because I see the key right there. I mean the wrench. I was thinking about this one. I don't know if the new models, wooden railway, get the idea from these previous wheels. I'm talking about the new ones, you know. They look pretty close the same. So I think they got the idea. This one is 2013, old model, plastic. And I guess these are the new ones. I mean, not so new. Talking and light up James. On a metal Toby, ERTL diesel, rough condition. Pullback James and Percy. Pretty cool. Let me tell you, I have a box full of this kind of chunky models. I don't know if all those are the same or not. I don't know if all of these are the same pullback or not. But anyways, I'll find out. And a squishy Thomas. This one, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, because I have seen a few of these. These are for special wooden tracks, when it runs on a track and then the track start making sounds or talking. I think talking, but I remember sounds and songs. Okay, and that's it.